Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Safari cannot open the page because the server cannot be found. So guys, when you open your Safari then facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, open your settings, and guys you need to click on Wi-Fi, and guys you need to connect any Wi-Fi with your device. So guys, if not connected then you need to connect it, and guys if already connected then you need to click on Wi-Fi, click on forget this network and click on forget. And guys after this you need to reconnect it again with your phone. So guys if not have Wi-Fi then you need to open your mobile data, and guys after doing this you need to scroll it down, and guys here you need to find Safari. As you can see here, simply you need to click on this tab, and guys you need to scroll it down, and guys after this here is the option of clear history and website data. Simply you need to click on it, and guys you need to clear all the histories from here. And guys after this simply you need to scroll it down, click on advanced, and guys after this you need to click on feature flags, and guys you need to scroll it down, and guys simply you need to click on reset all to defaults. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. So guys if connected then you need to disconnect it, and guys after doing this you need to go back, click on language and region, click on region, and guys you need to select region according to your country, and guys after doing this you need to go back. So guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys after doing update your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to open your Safari smoothly. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.